We are back from our Christmas vacation, and today we are kind of taking a slow day. The kids are still sleeping in, so I'm drinking my coffee, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we're planning this week and hopefully some things that you can look forward to. So this is going to be kind of like a back to keto vlog edition. So over the past week, we were traveling, we were seeing our family, and we obviously did not eat keto, and I am feeling it. So today is a good day to get back on track, get back to feeling good, because I'm feeling a little sluggish, a little pudgy. You know how it goes. So I'm drinking my coffee, and I'm about to pick up some groceries, so I'll show you my keto grocery haul and some of the meals that I'm planning. And my mother-in-law got me a new air fryer for my Christmas gift. I have been eyeing air fryer recipes for the past 2 months, and I am so excited about making keto-friendly air fryer recipes. So if you have an air fryer, you will be enjoying that. And a lot of these recipes you can use in other appliances, but the thing about an air fryer is that you get that crispiness without heating up your oven, and it cooks a lot faster because it cooks on all sides. So there's a lot of benefits to using an air fryer. I know a lot of people have them already. Some people have them and they don't know what to cook with them. So my mother-in-law has been using hers for the past couple of months, but they do bacon and sausage. She does a lot of salmon. And so those are some things that I'm gonna be cooking this week. I'm excited to share that with you. If you have an air fryer, let me know. So part of my detox plan, getting back on track, like I said, I am drinking my coffee right now, and it's keto friendly. I always use stevia and heavy whipping cream. I'm also going to be drinking some ketones because that kind of helps your body get back into ketosis fast. It can help you avoid the keto flu. It helps you stay full longer, because a lot of times whenever you're transitioning from carbs as fuel to fat as fuel, your body kind of goes crazy for a little while. I know I usually feel like low energy, I get headaches, and I have really bad cravings. And so taking ketones really helps you transition faster, and it helps you stay full longer. I know I drank ketones when I was on my Thanksgiving vacation, and it really did help me fast longer while I was trying to do intermittent fasting while we were on our Thanksgiving break. For Christmas, I forgot my ketones at home. I didn't bring them, so I didn't use them, but I did drink my hydrate and my chocolate greens and my reds to try to make sure that I had my vitamins while I was traveling, but I definitely splurged a lot. My mother-in-law is an amazing cook, and she plans the most amazing meals and snacks and appetizers, and there's always food around, and it's always amazing. And so I felt like it was like whenever you're on a cruise and there's just like always food out, that's kind of how it was over Christmas break. And so anyways, it was a lot of good food, but now I'm definitely feeling it. So I want to get back on track. So let me get into my keto meal plan for this week. So I already shared some of the things I'm going to be using in my air fryer, and a lot of this meal plan was kind of what heavily favored for my air fryer, but you don't have to use your air fryer. So one thing I'm going to make that's new for me this week is like a steak and mushroom kind of in the air fryer. So I'm going to cut up steak and mushrooms and season it with like garlic and different things. Anyways, and do that in the air fryer. I'm going to do eggs and bacon and sausage. That's a good, fast, easy meal for whenever we don't want to cook a lot, we don't want to think about it. So we always plan like a breakfast for dinner kind of thing, at least once a week. I'm also going to make my keto sausage balls. Now those may be more of a snack than a breakfast for us, but I'm going to cook those. I'm also doing salmon and broccoli or some sort of vegetable in the air fryer. And I've been using my New Wave oven, but you can do salmon however you like to cook it, but I'm planning on that. Another thing is burgers. My kids love burgers, we love burgers. I usually do like a bunless burger with avocado and tomato and cheese. And so we're gonna do burgers. I'm gonna try them in the air fryer. I've been cooking them recently in the New Wave oven, which is kind of like a big, I feel like the New Wave oven, let's see, I've had mine for a couple years now, but I don't see a lot of people talking about them, so I don't think they are as popular as an air fryer. but it's like a dome thing. It's a lot bigger, but it's like an indoor grill kind of thing. So anyway, so I use that for burgers, but I'm gonna try it in my air fryer and see if I like it any better. So anyway, so I'm planning on that. And then I got some just normal stuff, but I'll show you my grocery haul whenever we go get it. We're doing pickup, so it's ready, I think, right now, so we'll get it in a few minutes. Again, I'm still waking up, so this is just how I am, sitting here drinking coffee in the morning. But anyway, so I wanna know what's your plan for this week? Between Christmas and New Year's is kind of just like a nebulous, it's just like, what day is it? So let me hear from you of what you're planning on this week. And if you have any air fryer recipes that you already love making, I want to know, because I want to try some different things, so I can figure out what I want to use the air fryer for every week. Oh, I think I'm gonna also try like chicken nuggets, keto chicken nuggets in the air fryer. So we'll see how that goes too. I don't know. I'm excited.